Weather derivatives. What is weather derivative? It is a derivative contract on weather pattern, whether rainfall, temperature, humidity. So in this also they will do derivatives. It's a rain come. So if rain comes like gambling, speculation, it is weather derivatives. The seller of the weather derivative receive premium from the buyer, which is understanding that seller will provide settlement about in case buyer suffers any financial loss due adverse weather conditions. Otherwise, seller makes profit through premium received. So the insurance companies use this weather derivative. They will say they will do this speculation. If this rainfall will come, so rainfall will come and it will destroy. If you bet to it and that happens and you had already predicted it, then what you get a benefit. If not, your money is lost. It's a betting is being a different way of weather derivative.